Hey traders, if you're looking for a simple yet effective strategy to make a profit, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a small investment, just 0.64, to generate profits with the high-low trading strategy. All right, without further ado, let's get started. First, select the Volatility Index 100 and choose the higher-lower trading type. Next, set the duration to 5 ticks. For the barrier, adjust it to 0.44. Make sure to watch this video until the end, and don't forget to click subscribe, because I'm going to explain the strategy I use right here. Now here's how to analyze the market. First, ensure that the 1-minute candle is red if you're planning to make a lower trade. This is a key indicator that the market is moving downward, and it gives us a stronger signal for a potential entry. So, always confirm the candle's color before making your move to increase your chances of success. Make sure to adjust the barrier to a positive value. Plus, if you're planning to place a lower trade, this will align the trade with the expected price movement. Next, pay close attention to the final digit here. If the number 9 appears in red, that's my signal to execute the trade. For a clearer understanding, be sure to watch this video until the end.